Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you edit and change your name in Facebook, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you how can you do that in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Facebook app, of course, we need to head out to your Facebook on Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. So open your store from there and search for Facebook. And from the results, go ahead and open it, and let's make sure we have the Facebook app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to make sure the steps are the same on your version as well. So follow up with me now from the Facebook app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, and then tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture to go to the menu. Now from the menu, we need to head out to settings, so tap on the gear icon in the top right corner right here. From settings, let's go ahead and open Account Center. So tap right here in See More in Account Center. Here we are now in Account Center. Just tap on Profiles at the very top of the screen and choose the profile or the account that you want to change the name of. I'm going to choose the first one. And from here, you can choose to change the username if you want. Of course, you can tap on it and change it very easily. And since you're here for the name, let's go from here and tap on Name at the very top. Now from here, you can just type in your new name and tap on Update in the bottom, or you can change the order if you want to do that, of course. Now, if you have changed your name in 90 days, you have to wait for the 90 days period to go by. Or if you have confirmed your name using an ID card, it's going to be very hard for you to update it again. So you need to contact Facebook support. And that is how, guys, you can change your name on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.